standing in the rain, a fragile spark in endless gray. Your laughter danced through every storm, a melody that kept me warm. And I thought to myself, could this be the story we write? Two hearts in a moment that feels like the rest of our lives. So take my hand, we'll run through forever, chasing dreams no matter the weather. In your eyes I see my home, timeless love, we're never alone. You spoke of stars you'd never seen. I'll paint your world with hues of gold. With every step you pulled me near, your whispered words erased my fear. And I promised you then we'd build a world of our own, a castle of memories where love is the only stone. So take my hand, we'll run through forever, chasing dreams no matter the weather. In your eyes I see my home, timeless love, we're never alone. The clocks may turn, the seasons may fade, but with you it's like time slips away. Through every test, every trial, our love endures. You're my heart, my endless sunrise. So take my hand, let's ride out forever. Through every storm, we'll weather together.
Do I like?
In your eyes I found my
You will test it.
timeless love.
There's something with this strawberry.
I did put the apple. There's strawberry inside. There's apple inside. There's
Still see
mango inside.
where it all
Take-
begins. Timeless
Leave the agbalumo.
to breathe. Every moment's the start again.
Hi besties, good morning. You miss it? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
So happy Saturday. Welcome to might be a new vlog, might be a continuation vlog. Yesterday I was super tired. I went to the market, I went for grocery shopping, I cooked, I cleaned. It's very productive for me. So today is another productive day. I want to wash clothes and I want to do Zobo, and I also want to do green juice. So I'll be doing like a weekly prepping, making juice and then Zobo. I just finished making this smoothie right now, and you guys saw the ingredient already. I added chai seed inside. And yeah, today is my sister's birthday. That my chef sister. Today is her birthday. Please wish her happy birthday for me in the comment section. I don't think she's doing anything today. Yesterday she did friends games night. I was supposed to go, but I can't go because I have a small pikin in the house. So I did not go. But today I don't think she's doing anything today. Maybe she'll just bring cake and we'll cut cake. But if she's doing anything, I'll take you guys along. So please help me wish her happy birthday. If you guys know my sister, I have the channel now. She's the chef in the family. Yeah, so that's the update, guys. Let me go and wash clothes first before I start doing this Zobo, because if I do Zobo I will have to do juice together. Yeah, so let me wash clothes. After washing clothes, I'll do the rest. Tayamata, you know gonna be going Mister. Hola, hola, we popping bubbles. Hola, hola, we making noise. Hola, hola, I need bob. Hola, hola, hola.
Sawdust, but you fixed what was broken. I wanna keep you close, but there are fears I hold. Would you love me if I told you what they put me through? Don't know what's the pace I can't follow to get to you. If I push too hard, will you become someone I knew? I know I can't reach it. And always, everything I do leads to the end of our places. Saving up your picture keeps me on the same pages. Would you love me if you knew alone you'd be left there? I know I
So I am done. I cleaned the toilet, the two toilets. I cleaned the two toilets and everything looks clean. So here's the dresses I washed. I am done washing the clothes, so it's time for me to make the zobo and the juice. And then I said no one will have for lunch. Oh, we'll eat gari. I'll bring her soup. I'll eat gari this afternoon because me I'm not getting strength. I just got my strength this morning. So time to make the zobo and oh,
Mom,
Mia, where is the apple?
about
Juice. And I think I need to prep my salad as well. Leave the pineapple alone.
I want to eat pineapple. Mom, I want pineapple. Please give it to me. I want to eat. You got it.
Oh, this pineapple is bad.
How can I eat it before it looks good? Mom, why is it bad? Mom, why is it bad?
I don't know why it's bad though. I have to go and buy that pineapple. This one is not good. I can't use it for the zobo. I need to buy another one. Awesome. You're not following me. You're staying here.
Why?
Because I don't have strength to come and carry anybody. So you're staying here. Don't stress me, I beg.
What's this here? So you gotta beat this Zobo
No, I'm going to put the pineapple outside.
outside. There's water. There's water.
What water?
Yeah.
No.
What's that?
Pineapple.
It's dirty.
No, just put pineapple. Put it inside. Oh, this pineapple is sweet. This pineapple is very, very young. Oh my god. Ah! This is so delicious. Yeah, Mia, come and take. Take. Give Uche. This is for you. Come and give Uche. Uche, come and take. What is that one inside that brown rubber? I still love you. I still need you. This is my dates. I'm putting dates as my sweetener. Don't add sugar. And this is boiling, so I need to strain. So in here I have cucumber, celery, ginger, spinach, and apple. So this is what is inside here, and I'm going to blend this. So this is my salad for the week. I want to wash the bottles for the Zobo and the juice. This bottle set is not blended. I will use another bottle to try. Anyway, yes. Okay, I'm coming.
I'm sitting next to the grave I've dug for the love we never made, for the control I thought I had. My mind rests in peace with the pile of letters in my coffin. Make me believe that I'll I'll never win if you're not here.
This is out of tiredness. You're tired, you start doing anyhow. They start falling out anyhow. So,
Now you're just a perfect illusion. I can't let go of. Shaking, breaking, fighting to reach. You're an illusion and I'm a letter. Something I feel I need to die to. And I could die without you. I could die if I can't have you. She'll never know if I'm in from me, 'cause all these letters will die with me.
so tired, like I can barely stand again. The next thing I need to do now is to do the Zobo, which is right there. Pack it, clean this kitchen, and shower and the rest. Tomorrow I have somewhere I'm going to, which I'll take you guys along. Like, this week has been a stressful week for me. And on Monday, madam are doing what they say they are doing. They're doing a picture day in their school on Monday, so I need to make her hair tomorrow. Hopefully when we come back from our outing, I'll make her hair tomorrow. If I don't do it, she'll pack her hair and go to school. Bwwm. Oh, look. Up way. So this is the Zobo I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm done with that, and that should be the end of this Saturday, because I don't think I'll do any writing again. Just to look for what Oga will eat. or Oga will look for what he will eat by himself. Because me, I'm already tired. So if you watch this episode, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And happy International Women's Day to all your amazing women all over the world. Yeah, women like me that is tired like this. Oh my god, I'm tired. My head is banging. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Birthday Kaya has come. Bye. If they make it, get him on AC because it's the assignment. Don't spoil you, silly. Anyway, they on AC in your school, so if do you, they just on AC.
There's no AC in my school.
Really?
No. They don't do fun.
They only do what?
Do fun.
I will talk to your auntie because I know that they people have AC in your school.
Don't talk to her.
I will talk to her to on AC for you. Making pancake. Does not concern me. I pay for all those luxury. I did not put her in school that I did not pay for luxury.